This is the DJI Osmo Action 4. You can see the difference in low light. Much better. Very crisp video. This can be used in all situations, my friend. The Osmo Action 4, much better. I'll just turn it around and show you how different it is. You see the difference. Much better. In every aspect it is much better. So we are very much satisfied with the low light capacity of the DJI Osmo Action 4. Much better than the GoPro. Friends, this is the low light area, shades all around. So if you look at it, this is what GoPro is shooting at. I'll just show you the other way around. GoPro, sunlight is there, but because of shade, bit low light. So this is GoPro Hero 9 Black for you. Wind is blowing and the microphone, just judge for yourselves. Friends, shooting inside the car with the DJI Osmo Action 4. So this is what it is. Different angles, Osmo Action 4, and the car, yeah. So this is shooting with the DJI Osmo Action 4. Friends, this is me shooting with a GoPro Hero 9 Black Super View. So it's slightly better than DJI Osmo Action 2, but not as good as the DJI Osmo Action 4, but pretty good. Better than the DJI Osmo Action 2. So yeah, light wise, I think, low light wise, I think the first is DJI Osmo Action 4, and then it is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. Okay, so now yeah, this is a quality GoPro Hero 9 Black.